Today's topic is ChatGPT prompt engineering mastery. So I will take a 1 minute to explain the ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? The ChatGPT is, as I think most of you are intermediate level and the advanced level. So just for the information, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model. It's a advanced language model based on the GPT architecture. What is GPT? GPT is a generative pretend transformer. Okay, so their objective, the main objective is, suppose you are speaking with a person, so how that person will respond you. Okay, so nowadays what will happen is, in front of you one robot will be there, and that robot will respond like a human, like that is the main objective. Suppose you are asking to your friend any subject, any topic, so how your friend will respond to you. So likewise a robot can respond like that in the same way. Okay, so that is their main objective, that a robot can produce, a robot can generate a large language model can produce a human like response. When I'm talking about a human like response means any kind of response. If you want to create a content, if you want to create a design, if you want to create a video, so like everywhere, suppose you are asking to your friend for any kind of the suggestion, like there might be a content, might be a video, might be a image, any kind of problem you can share with your friends, and your friends or your colleagues will provide the suggestion, correct. uh, okay, so what will happen is, so likewise ChatGPT is a one large language model, advanced language model. It will provide the exact same, not exact, more than 90%, 90. Actually, they are trying to do it exact, but as of now, it is not happening exactly. But more than 90%, more than 95%, you will get the response as on as a human like response. Okay, but the thing is, here are few doubt and worry that okay, ChatGPT or any other large language model, they are not providing the accurate answer. It is not the true, it is not the true, because they don't know how to speak with a robot like ChatGPT, how to speak with a large language model like ChatGPT. Okay, they don't know how to speak, how to because being a robot, being a large language model, there will be some pattern, there will be some rules, there will be some algorithm. So you need to follow that algorithm, you need to follow that rules, you need to follow that pattern, so that you can get the best accurate answer from ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. Okay, so this is this is about ChatGPT. And